Welcome back. After a long period of time that I was off, I'm coming back with new episodes of urban gardening, mostly food and veggie related videos that I will be making, and I will share the tips that I have learned, the practices that I'm doing, and the success that I'm going through, sharing with you. Hopefully those videos will be helpful for you guys. So basically, almost like half acre of backyard I do have in the city, and I do try to utilize as much as possible, and those videos will be full of tips that I learned and I applied and I see success. Okay. this time I'm going to be sharing you with a little section that I have allocated for the seedling trees that I have got from our county forest preserve. They do sell very cheap seedlings so that everybody can actually plant native plants. I'm in zone 5B, Chicago area, and so I got common lilac, black walnut, Fraser fir, arbor, as well as sugar maple. So I put it here to see how they perform. I gave away some to my neighbors, and even I put some in Etsy that they sold, which is really interesting. Buying for $1 and selling for 10. It's amazing. So I do recommend that you guys see if your county has those tree sales that usually they do annually in the beginning of spring. I think you need to register or reserve those in fall for the next spring. So I definitely do suggest that you see what they offer based on your region. Probably there will be different varieties, but it doesn't matter. Really, it's a good gift to your neighbor. It's good that you can enrich your backyard. It's also, you can even sell. So I'll see how they perform. Right now they're on the ground. I didn't want to keep them in the water bucket for long. Now they at least have some nutrition that they can consume. I'll share you guys the progress that they made in upcoming videos. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment so that I can see if my videos are helpful or not. Please, if you do have any questions, feel free to post. I will definitely reply, or I will make videos accordingly. Thank you.